everybody.
Hello.
Assalamualaikum. This is me Tahsin and this is my cute little brother Tahreeb. So Tahreeb, say hi.
Hi guys, it's me Monon.
So can you introduce yourself?
Hi guys, so my name is Monon.
How are you all?
How are you all?
Hope you
you
are.
are fit and fine.
So and today we will do something magical. Do you know during playing you can learn colors or pronunciation or spelling?
Yeah, okay.
So, do you want to wish for toy cars?
Yeah.
Vehicles?
Yeah.
Who's going first?
Me.
Okay, like this. Go like this.
Yeah. I don't
And
know.
close your eyes. Yes. And say, I wish
I wish
for
for
a
a
toy car.
toy. It's Tahsin.
Oh my gosh! Look! Do you know this vehicle's name?
It's Police Toy.
Yes!
It's
This is
Police
my
Toy.
brother's favorite.
Yeah, paper.
Do you know the spelling?
I don't know.
So let's say it together.
P-O-L-I-T-E.
Wow! Good job! Good job! Good job!
I know the
Wow.
spelling of Police Toys.
Good job. Okay. Now, who's going next? Me.
Yeah.
I want to wish for a monster truck. Oh!
This disappeared.
That's not disappeared. It came true. Oh my goodness! Do you know the spelling?
Yeah.
Do you know the spelling?
No.
Do you want to say with me?
Yeah.
It's spelled like this. M-O-N-S. Mons. T-E-R. Monster. T-R-U-C-K. Monster truck. Yay! Now who's going next?
Me.
Okay. Close your eyes.
I wish for a toy.
Yes. Oh my! It came true.
Yeah.
Look.
I thought it's not done too.
Oh my gosh. Let's say the spelling. The spelling is R-A-C-I-N-G. Racing. C-A-R. Racing car. Now we have a bunch of these racing cars. Do you know their color? Do you know their color?
This is green.
Yes, and
little bit of red.
you're right. And do you know this? Blue?
And little bit of white.
Good. And this one?
Yellow and red.
Good. And this one? Here. It's gray.
It's gray. And the numbers.
And the number is 93.
Yeah. And this number.
Okay, you don't need to see the number. Do you know this one?
Yes, and little bit of red.
Good. And this one?
Orange and little bit of red.
Okay. You're doing A army monster truck. Oh my gosh! It really came true!
Yay!
Yay!
With my mother.
Okay, let me say the spelling. The spelling is A-R-M-Y. Army, M-O-N-S, T-E-R. Monster, T-R-U-C-K. Truck. Monster, truck. Vroom. Now whose turn it is?
My turn.
Okay. Here. And say, I want to
wish-
wish for an
I want-
airplane.
Let's
Yes.
put an airplane.